Welcome to Monday CRM. Customize your pipeline, track customer data, and with built-in AI, skip the repetitive work so you can focus on closing deals. Let's dive in. This ready-made product comes equipped with everything you need to streamline your sales activities and close more deals faster. To start, let's bring in some leads. You can enter them manually, import a CSV, collect them via form, pull them in with integrations, or even use the Monday CRM Chrome extension to add leads in one click. Something neat? We can build with AI on top of the lead form. Here, I'm going to add a text field to autofill potential discovery questions for our first touchpoint based on their form submission. The moment someone fills it out, AI suggests the best first touch questions, so reps have direction right away. From there, communicating from Monday CRM can take many forms. With sequences, automate email and reminder flows to move sales forward without lifting a finger. Set up a sequence to send an automatic email on day one, complete with our AI-generated discovery questions and a calendar link to get the ball rolling. Ping the responsible rep to call a day later, and send a follow-up email another 3 days after that. Within the Rules and Notifications tab, fine-tune your send windows and set rules to remove a lead from a sequence. From there, simply click the lead or leads you want to apply the sequence to and fire away. Want to send a single email to multiple leads at once? Easy. Just select the recipients on your board and click Mass Email here. Utilize and save shared email templates or have AI compose the absolute perfect product pitch. Once sent, see how many recipients opened the email and clicked on any links inside from the Mass Email Tracking menu. As things start to heat up, keep track of all touch points with the lead within the Emails and Activities app. Add notes, call summaries, even schedule a meeting and integrate with your calendar all from here. Reply to emails or draft a new one with AI's help. With email tracking, you'll see the moment your email is opened. All right, let's keep going. Here's our contacts board, where we keep every relationship in one place. Each contact is linked to the related item on the account and deals boards, so the bigger picture is always in sync. Need to prep for a call? AI can generate a quick summary of that contact's entire history. Emails, calls, and meetings condensed into a timeline. No digging required. Not bad, right? Now for the fun part, closing deals. With Monday's visual UI, you'll be able to see where each deal stands at a glance. It's worth noting that each of these boards are fully customizable, allowing you to tailor things to your specific processes. In addition to the main table view, you can manage your deals with a pipeline view, or use the data listed to forecast future revenue with the chart view. Click into any deal to see a clean card view with all key info. Use the Quotes and Invoices app to generate sales docs instantly and download ready-to-send files in seconds, all without leaving Monday CRM. Want to go further? Connect your favorite tools with integrations. Take QuickBooks for example. When a status changes to 1, create a customer automatically in your QuickBooks account. Connect your Zoom account too. When you finish up a meeting with a lead, AI can generate a quick summary and push it into the contact record. No more manual notes. And from the monday.com mobile app, use your phone to call contacts, log notes, and move sales forward while on the go. Finally, for a comprehensive look at your entire sales organization, we have the Sales Dashboard. These highly customizable widgets serve as a visual snapshot, so you can keep track of each KPI and watch the numbers grow with each closed deal. And there you have it. With Monday CRM, you can manage every part of your sales cycle, automate repetitive work, and focus on building relationships that close deals. Now it's your turn. Start by adding your leads today and watch your pipeline grow. Click here for more tutorials on Monday CRM and all things monday.com.